Okay, guys, attention. Some two fans, from one from Ronaldo and one from Messi, said, if I increase the 20 points of Ronaldo, then he send me a gift. But he no send me, so I will decreasing the 20 points of Ronaldo. Okay. Also, I also increase the 40 points of Messi, so I'm also decreasing the 40 points of Messi. Now it is correct. Whoa, 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 whoa. Daisy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Whoa, 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 whoa. Daisy, thank you so much for your support.